Hi, in this video, I'm going to explain about spermatogenesis, the process of spermatogenesis. First, you have to understand what is spermatogenesis. It is a process of formation and development of sperm, while spermiogenesis is the remodeling and differentiation of spermatid into mature spermatozoa. Now, let's look at the structure of a mature spermatozoa. Okay, now let's look at the structure of a sperm. Parts of sperm includes the head, the midpiece, which is part of a tail, while the tail is actually a flagellum that is attached to the head by the centriole. The tail is very useful for the sperm to facilitate the movement of the sperm so that it can swim through the female reproductive structure. The head of the sperm contains two main features. First, the DNA, and then the acrosome. Acrosome contains hydrolytic enzyme that is important for the sperm to be able to fertilize the egg. The midpiece contains numerous number of mitochondria, which very important for the tail by providing energy so that the tail can propel and the sperm could be able to swim through the female reproductive tract. Without all of this structure, the sperm won't be able to either find the egg in the fallopian tube or they cannot fertilize the egg. Let's look at the process of spermatogenesis that occurs in the testes, and to be exact, it occurs in the seminiferous tubule. When a male reaches puberty, the seminiferous tubule is developed in a way that they have a lumen so that it can facilitate the movement of the spermatozoa out of the testes towards the epididymis. In the seminiferous tubule, there are a lot of Sertoli cells that helps in spermatogenesis by giving protection and nutrients towards the growing or developing spermatogonium, spermatocyte, and the spermatozoa. When a male reaches puberty, the spermatogonium in the seminiferous tubule will start to divide mitotically to increase their numbers. Some of the spermatogonia will be developed into a primary spermatocyte, while the rest of the spermatogonium will remain dividing mitotically. So a spermatogonium developed or differentiated into primary spermatocyte. Next, the primary spermatocyte will undergo first meiotic division and produce the secondary spermatocyte. The secondary spermatocyte will continue with the second meiotic division, and thus it will produce spermatid. So both secondary spermatocyte and spermatids are haploid cells, while spermatogonium and primary spermatocytes are diploid. Spermatid is not a mature sperm yet, so it will undergo spermiogenesis to develop into a mature spermatozoa. Now, let's look at the diagram that shows the ploidy number of each stage of spermatogenesis. Spermatogenesis starts with spermatogonium undergo mitosis with ploidy number of diploid and produce primary spermatocyte. Primary spermatocyte are still diploid. Primary spermatocyte undergo meiosis I and produce secondary spermatocyte, which is already haploid after first meiotic division. Then secondary spermatocyte continue the meiosis to the second meiotic division and produce spermatid, which is also haploid. Spermatid undergo spermiogenesis to further develop into a mature spermatozoa. Setakat itu sahaja penerangan tentang spermatogenesis. Terima kasih kerana mendengar. Bye.